If you use Firefox every day, this simple keyboard shortcut can save you time instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to open a new browser tab in Firefox using just your keyboard, and it works in seconds on both Windows, Linux, and Mac. This is one of those small shortcuts that becomes a habit really fast, especially if you browse a lot, research online, or keep multiple pages open at once. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get right into it. To open a new browser tab in Firefox, all you need to do is press Ctrl and T at the same time if you are using Windows or Linux. If you are on a Mac, press Command and T at the same time instead. You do not need to click through menus, and you do not need to right-click anything. Just use the shortcut, and Firefox will open a brand new tab immediately. Once the new tab opens, you can type a website address, search for something online, or open another page without losing the one you were already on. This is especially useful when you want to compare websites, open multiple links from the same page, or keep your current tab available for later. If you accidentally close a tab and need another one quickly, this shortcut is also the fastest way to get back to browsing without interrupting your workflow. Again, for Windows and Linux, press Ctrl T. For Mac, press Command T. It is a very small shortcut, but it can make browsing feel much faster and smoother every day. If you want more simple Firefox tips and keyboard shortcuts like this, be sure to subscribe because I post easy tutorials that help you save time and work smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.